Alright guys, hey, it's me here. Either way, right now we're working on a gun. This gun does not work. It will, it'll load, do that stuff, make the attempt, but there's something blocking it to where it will not shoot. So what we're going to be doing here is we are going to take it apart and see what's the damage. So just gotta take off these screws. Alright, I'll get back to you when I get the screws off. Alright guys. Well, sorry. Yeah, I got you guys popped up on a chainsaw. Well, I did. Let me see here. Let me try something else. What about this? Not better. Let me back up this cooler. And we are back where we started. Won't you believe? Oh, that's way better. Yeah, it is still rolling. Okay. So we got the, as you can see, took off the butt. Here's that holds that. The person put in this because I guess it must have been a little unsteady. Oh yeah, I can already see the spring in there that this thing is loaded by on the inside. So next thing that we got to do is look for hidden things that hold the gun together, like one of these. Where did I put the screwdriver? Here's the screwdriver. Ah, oh, come on. All right then. Alright, let me try just working a little bit. There we go. Got that off. Now the barrel will start to separate. See? Right there like that. Then we got another, judging by that bolt hole right there, yeah, you can kind of see it. Alright, and that, I believe, is a screw. If it's something that I gotta punch, I can punch it too, but oh, it is a punch. Pull that out. Now that just slides right off. Oh, now I see it. Cause see, that thing goes, and I like that to and then, either way, back to what we're doing. Oh, okay, that came from there. That was almost really bad. Okay, then now we're gonna remove the sight. Dang, okay. Come on. Remove the sight. Now we can take a look at the insides. Now let's see here. The intake, well, where it takes in ammunition is right here. Here's the barrel. Gonna take a look at that. Oh, just dropped something important. Oh, busted stuff. That's always great to see. Oh, yay. Alright, let's get that thing right there back where it belongs. I assume. Okay, and almost got it. Oh, screw that. I'm just gonna use this to pull it. Okay. And it's taken apart. Yep, barrel's clear. So that means it's something in here. Man, this mechanism could use a serious bit of cleaning. Yeah, oh yeah, it is actually still cocked. That ain't good. Well, wish me luck. Aw, damn safety. Oh. My own stupidity. Forgot that this has to go up. Now I take it off safety. Now I pull the trigger. Which had sent this flying off. And now everything's back to normal. Here, right here is the seal. That's what gives it its oomph, you know? Which indicates that's all clear, so why in the heck isn't this dang thing shooting? Let me grab a paintbrush real quick. I'll be right back, I gotta clean this thing up. Okay, so we're back. Got it all cleaned up, you know. Oh, missed a little bit right there. Sorry. And so now we're basically just gonna put it all back together. Which, yes, it does go right there, but this right here needs to get pulled back. Which, if I am correct, that means I'm gonna have to push this, so that way great. That is just great. Where did it go? Oh, crap. Okay, here it is. And so, yeah, basically we're gonna put it there, cock it back, and of course, that little bastard. Okay, now we got that back into place. Now, we're going to reinstall. Sorry, you can't really see much of this. Let me just kind of try and get this back where it belongs. And then I'll show you guys and show you how it works. So I done a small bit of thinking while I was cleaning it out. So what it probably was this part right here has a seal, well, has a piece of plastic right there that is broken. Okay, so that's probably why it wasn't shooting right. And also, let me just set you guys right back up right there. And great, now I dropped you guys. Okay. There we go. And now, hopefully you guys are set up. You guys are definitely not set up good. And, yep, just like I figured, not set up stably. You know what, I'm just gonna prop you up on this can of WD-40. So, yeah. Camera issues, am I right? Okay, so how it works is, basically, from what I've figured, this gear goes right here like this. So that way when it's cocking, it'll go down, and then, which it is already cocked, so also I should probably just give it a little squirt of WD-40 while I'm at it. That just might loosen it up a little bit. Okay, now. Okay, come on, why are you so stuck? Oh, look at that. Some of the pieces are even busted off. And I'm like, yeah, either way, when it goes like... That was not intended. Pressure, am I right? Just pressure. Either way, now I can really lay into this piece of machinery. Okay, now where did that little bolt go? Oh, okay, here it is. So basically when you pump it, you're getting your energy in it. Oh, okay, so that's what's going wrong here. Oh, okay, I see it. Maybe if I flip this around, which I think that's actually how it was. Yeah, that makes a little bit more sense, except for now, how is it supposed to catch? And twist it. Sorry guys, I'm learning this as I'm going. So, yeah, so you see, this part right here is supposed to turn because the BBs go down here and get caught in this part right here, which then they go into this hole right here, which, okay, you can kind of see it, it's half open, kind of right there. Either way, when that closes, it then, come on, punk. Come on, bitch. Okay, there we go. And then when that closes, it makes a small thing where the seal that is now broken goes through there. Now, I know if I were to drop something down the barrel, it will still work, just not as strong, so who knows, we might get a little lucky here. But odds are, it's probably a scrapped item. Oh, yeah, look at that. These teeth are broken. Wow, this thing is really beaten up. I never remember abusing it that bad. Okay, so basically, what we have here is there are supposed to be teeth right there, but I guess they busted off and went somewhere, I don't know. And that is what works it is those gears. So yeah, I guess pretty much this is a scrapped video. You know what, I wonder how fast it'll take for me to redo it. Okay, so I'll get back to you, just that way, you know, I can get an honest, you know, kind of detail of how long.